welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a very exciting and very Christmassy themed video. As you can tell by the Christmas tree behind me, I am doing a healthier Christmas treats video. I have done these every year, I think, for the past few years, or at least one recipe every year. And this year I just got so excited and I've been baking non-stop for the whole month of December because I love Christmas and I love treats. So today we are making a healthy Rocky Road. If you're not from Australia, I feel like Rocky Road is like bigger at Christmas time. Obviously people eat it all year round and stuff, but in Australia especially, I feel like Rocky Road is like a Christmassy thing. And then we're going to make some protein gingerbread muffins, which turned out amazing, I must say. I actually gave them to a few of my personal training clients, and they've also given them to their kids to take to school and stuff because they just look really cute and Christmassy. So yeah, and then I also baked some M&M Smartie cookies. As you guys will see in the video, I accidentally put, I don't know why, the M&Ms in the batter. You just meant to put it like on top as decoration because M&Ms don't melt anyway, so you might as well just put it on top for the Christmas decorations and then less sugar, yada yada yada. I also just wanted to disclaim that obviously these are healthier versions and I'm using ingredients that have more nutrients and stuff in them, but obviously a lot of these things are still like high in sugars and high in fat and stuff like that, so definitely consume them in moderation if you can help it, because I can't. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what Christmas treat you're most excited for this year, and if you're from like a different country, what's like the main Christmas treat. I feel like in Australia it's pavlova because pav is the best, but I couldn't make a healthier pav. I'm pretty sure it's just like sugar and eggs, so yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get on to the video.